Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. Got another Nature Valley product. This is the Biscuits version. This is with almond butter. Sounds pretty good. Got a box of these for, what was that? I don't know. It's like $2.50, $3 for like six of these. Energy from 14 grams of whole grain, it says. Cinnamon biscuits with almond butter filling, 190 calories. This is one of those things that you could eat with, or eat in the morning, you know. It would probably tide you over with all the grain and stuff in there. It has a nice oatmeal kind of aroma. I'm getting the cinnamon. That's what they look like. That's the whoops, starting to crack apart. You can see it has filling in there. Kind of looks like one of those Nutter Butter peanut butter cookies. Has that appearance a little bit, but the texture, you can see it's a little bit more rough. It has kind of an oatmeal cookie texture, but yet it kind of has that a little bit of a Nutter Butter appearance too. Getting a little bit of the almond in there. All right, let's see. Has a little bit of a granola bar, crunchy granola bar texture too. Wow, that's good. Buttery. Almond. Lightly sweet. Creamy inside. Getting the grain. A little bit, you know, the outer cookie part being grain and dry, it's a little bit, it makes it dry. So you're gonna want something to drink with this, whether it be water or coffee. Coffee goes good with this. Very good. The outer granola kind of tasting part. Grainy. It's kind of crunchy. I mean, it makes you feel like you were, I mean, and it is a healthy type little filling snack. But yeah, I mean, you can eat these anytime. I think it's more like a cookie than a biscuit to me. Getting a little bit of the cinnamon taste. I don't think it's as huge as the other flavors. Barley flakes. Honey. Yeah, I'm getting some honey in there. Very good. Okay, well, I'm going to end it there. Is it upside down? There we go. Check it out. If you see them, I think they're worth it. Nice little healthy type snack any time of the day, really. All right, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye.